Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Frame.io extension for Adobe Workflows. To install the Frame.io extension for Adobe Workflows, start by launching your Adobe Creative Cloud application. Navigate to the Apps tab in the Creative Cloud interface. Locate the Marketplace section in the app. In the Marketplace, use the search bar to type Frame.io. From the search results, find the Frame.io extension. Click on the Frame.io extension to view its details. Select the Install button to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. Once installed, open Adobe Premiere Pro or Adobe After Effects. In the top menu, click on Window to reveal the drop-down menu. Select Extensions from the drop-down options. Look for the Frame.io option in the Extensions menu. Click on Frame.io to launch the extension. You may need to log into your Frame.io account if prompted. After logging in, you'll see the Frame.io interface integrated within Adobe. Explore the available features such as uploading, sharing, and collaborating on projects. To start using Frame.io, import your media into a project. Use the Frame.io panel to upload your media seamlessly. You can now review feedback and collaborate directly within your Adobe workflow. That covers the installation of the Frame.io extension for Adobe Workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.